Okay, so I'm in Mallards Pike, which is in the Forest of Dean, and I've just parked up, and you can bring your mountain bike over here, which I'm going to probably bring over in a couple of weeks time. For those of you who know Mallards Pike, there's also Go Ape here as well at the moment, and here you can also hire out the segways. So there's quite a lot for kids to do here. So you've got the zip wires on the Go Ape and everything. But I'm actually just going for a walk. I've had enough today of work, and I've decided that I'm going to take the van over to Mallards Pike, park up, and just see what's about. One of the things I did find out today, I've just been speaking to a guy who was on his mountain bike, and he said that you can actually pay £46 for the year for parking, and that enables you to be able to park in a number of locations around the Forestry Commission car parks. So one of them is also Simmons Yacht. I'm more than likely going to take advantage of that because I've just parked up the van and it gave me no other choice but to pay as a minibus, which was £10, which is actually quite a lot of money. But if you work out £46 and you can literally park anytime, and apparently you can park all day as well. I need to check that out online. But this is, like I said, Mallards Pike, and I'm just going to go for a walk first of all, and then I'll probably bring the mountain bike here next week.